Class 12th, Lesson 4, The Rat Trap, written by Selma Lagerlof. Short textual questions and answers of the lesson. Question number 1. From where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? Answer. The peddler made rat traps himself and went around selling them. One day, walking along the road, an idea came into his mind that the whole world was also like a rat trap. Some had already been caught in the snare, and the other was still moving round the bait. Question number 2. Why was he amused by this idea? Answer. The peddler was amused by this idea because his life was sad and monotonous. The world had never been kind to the peddler, so it gave him joy to think ill of it. Question number 3. Did the peddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? Answer. No, he did not expect the kind of hospitality he received from the crofter. Question number 4. Why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? Answer. The crofter was a lonely person. He was so happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. Question number 5. Why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? Answer. Crofter thought that the peddler did not believe in his story, that his cow gave enough milk to support him, and he sold the milk to the creamery. So he showed the 30 kroner to the peddler. Question number 6. Did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? Answer. No, the peddler did not respect the crofter's confidence because he was a thief and acted accordingly. Question number 7. What made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap? Answer. Having stolen the crofter's 30 kroner, the peddler felt quite pleased with his cleverness. He decided to go to the woods. It was a big, confusing forest. Then he realized that he had fallen into rat trap. It was a bait that had trapped him. Question number 8. Why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? Answer. The iron master saw the peddler in dim light. He mistook the man as his old regimental comrade, Captain von Stahel. He called him by his name. He spoke very kindly and invited him home. Question number 9. Why did the peddler decline the invitation? Answer. The peddler knew that the iron man had mistaken him for his old regimental comrade. Secondly, he had stolen 30 kroner. Going to the iron man's residence would be like entering the lion's den. That is why he declined the invitation. Question number 10. What made the peddler accept Ada Williamson's invitation? Answer. The peddler accepted Adla Williamson's invitation because she said that she only wanted him to stay with them on Christmas Eve. She said this is in such a friendly manner that the peddler could not refuse her and agreed to go with her. Question number 11. What doubts did Adla have about the peddler? Answer. Adla doubted the peddler's outlook, appearance, and behavior. Also, he did not seem to have been an educated man. Adla thought he had stolen something or had escaped from jail. Question number 12. When did the ironmaster realize his mistake? Answer. When the ironmaster saw the peddler in bright daylight, truly clean and well dressed, he realized that he made a mistake in taking the stranger as an old friend. Question number 13. What did the peddler say in his defense when it was clear that he was not the person the ironmaster had thought he was? Answer. The peddler told the ironmaster that it was not his fault. He had shown himself only as a poor trader. He had never pretended to be a former captain. He only wanted to stay in the forge for the night. Question number 14. Why did Adla still entertain the peddler even after she knew the truth about him? Answer. When Adla came to know that the peddler was not his father's old friend, she did not change her attitude towards the peddler. She was happy and going to make things for Christmas Eve and entertain the stranger. She wanted him to enjoy a day of peace with them. Hence, she entertained the peddler. Question number 15. Why was Adla happy to see the gift left by the peddler? Answer. Adla was happy to see the gift left by the peddler. She opened the package, which was so badly done up that the content came into view at once. She gave a little cry of joy. She found a small rat trap, and in it lay 3 wrinkled 10-kroner notes. Question number 16. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain von Stahel? Answer. The peddler was invited to the house as a captain. He was treated as if he was a real captain. So he signed a Captain von Stahel to show high regard for the girl. Short textual questions and answers of the lesson The Rat Trap. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you for watching my video.